Hey, it's Patrick Cuneta. Hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I got my first 100 subscribers on YouTube. And at the time of recording this video, I do have well over 1,000 now, but I'm just going to share with you guys some things that I was doing in the beginning to really get started and get my channel off the ground. And there are tons and tons of different strategies for YouTube for growing your channel. If you could look out there, there's going to be tons of different information. But like I said, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the things that I did personally to get started on YouTube. And the first thing, of course, is just to get started, record that first video. And, what I do personally to this day still, and what I did in the beginning, is to sit down, and I have actually a list on my notes on my phone and my computer, just of a bunch of different video ideas, a bunch of different video topics. I will write down specific titles for videos I want to create. And I just do a whole lot of planning, a whole lot of brainstorming. Like I said, I did this in the beginning, and I still do to this day. Just thinking about different kind of videos, thinking about what I'm going to talk about in those videos, or what's going to happen in those videos, how I'm going to create those videos. And I just really sit down and I kind of brainstorm about my videos. And after that, what I did in the beginning was, of course, just get started. Just put some time aside, get a little setup going with my camera. I actually started just with my smartphone, just propping it up on the windowsill. So just sit down, put some time aside, and just get started. And it's going to take a little bit of time to get used to it, get used to creating videos, especially if you're talking to a camera. It's going to feel really weird at first, but you just need to take some time to get familiar with the whole process, familiar with the recording process, with the editing process, with uploading to YouTube and everything. And you just need to get going and kind of build that foundation and get established. You need to figure out, like I said, what kind of videos you want to create. Just create a few different videos, and I definitely recommend an upload schedule because it'll keep you going consistently. Don't do something that's going to be too overwhelming or too much work for you, but do something that you can maintain consistently, of course. Just create videos, and don't be too limiting with yourself. I think, when I started my channel, I just decided to create anything of value I could share with the universe. That was my little slogan, and it just kind of developed from there, just kind of grew from there. Like I said, the first thing is just to, of course, do some planning, make some decisions on what kind of videos you want to make, and then just get it established. Just build that video library. Like I said, just keep making videos, of course. That's obviously the first thing you need to do on YouTube. And after that, what I did to really kind of get going, get people watching my videos, was just to promote those videos, of course. So what I did is, take some of your videos, take some of the links, and, you could share the thumbnails as well. Post them on Facebook. You could tell your friends or family. You can send them, text them a link or something. Word of mouth, of course. Share them on Facebook with your friends. Share them on Instagram. Share them on Twitter. Share them on Snapchat. Whatever you want to do, wherever your friends are. Whatever social media you already use in the first place is a great place to start. Yeah, and just pretty much promote your videos. Just share your videos to kind of get things started. And another thing I did actually, which really helped me a lot, is I actually would go on Instagram and actually send people direct messages, just telling them, hey, my name is Patrick Cuneta. I create YouTube videos to help people improve their lives and stuff like that. I had this whole little pre-written message in my notes, and I would go send these to individual people. And guys, I can make a whole other video talking about this, talking about how to grow your YouTube channel with Instagram or other social media. So let me know if you want me to create a video tutorial talking about that. But that's something I did that really helped me a lot, actually. It's just sending those messages, and don't make it too spammy, but write a little personalized message that you can send to people, whether you want to do it on Facebook, Twitter, whatever it is. But I used Instagram, like I said. But that really, really helped me to kind of get growing and kind of get started. I actually got some pretty good results from that, and it helped me to grow my channel well past 100 subscribers as well. And last piece of advice that I have to grow your YouTube channel, what I did in the beginning, and I still do, like I said, is just to continuously learn about YouTube overall. If you go online, the YouTube Creator Academy, it's made by YouTube. They have tons and tons of free online courses talking about the whole creation process, talking about literally everything about YouTube, even to building a community, to building a brand, to making money. There's all kinds of different things that you can learn, and you can even just watch all kinds of YouTube videos Like I said, there's so many different resources out there that can help you to learn more about YouTube itself, learn more about the whole process, and just educate yourself as much as you can about YouTube overall, because that's just going to help you to create better content, to grow your channel more, to be more strategic, and just perform better overall. And those are some of the things that I really did in the beginning. Those are really the main things I did to get started on YouTube. Like I said, I can create more videos going a little more in depth about some of these strategies. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how I got started. That's how I got things going with my YouTube channel. And as always, don't forget to let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Don't forget to check out the description. And if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. Got plenty more coming soon. Your mind is much more powerful than you think. Have a great day. Peace.